Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Cooking Bourdain, where we cook all Anthony Bourdain's recipes, because, well, someone has to do it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Today we're making macaroni and cheese. Get that damn lobster out of my mac and cheese. Truffles do not make it better. If you add truffle oil, which is made from a petroleum-based chemical additive, and the crushed dreams of 90s culinary mediocrity, you should be punched in the kidneys. This recipe is from Appetites, a cookbook. You can pick it up at the link in the description below. We're going to start off by grating a plethora of cheese. Get ready to be excessive. Grate 8 ounces of Parmigiano-Reggiano. Half will go into the macaroni and half will be sprinkled on top. Now batting number 2, sharp cheddar, number 2. That's a Derek Jeter reference if you didn't catch it. Bourdain was a passionate baseball fan. Grate 5 ounces. Next up is our Gruyere cheese. We'll be shooting for 4 ounces. Last in our cheese saga, but not least, is fresh mozzarella cheese. Cube about 3 ounces worth. If you go a little heavy on the cheese, don't worry. It is macaroni and cheese after all. There are a few things in life you can rarely have too much of. Cheese is one of them. You have to be a romantic to invest yourself, your money, and your time in cheese. Lastly, we'll slice 4 ounces of cooked ham, julienned if you choose. Let's head over to the stove. In a large heavy bottom pot, bring salted water to a boil and add the elbow macaroni. Cook according to the package instructions until just al dente, no mushy pasta. Then drain and set aside. In the still hot macaroni pot, heat the 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-high heat until it foams and subsides. Make sure you have both a whisk and a wooden spoon nearby and something to rest them on. You'll be switching back and forth between the 2 utensils as you first make a roux and then build on to make a bechamel. Whisk in 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then stir steadily over medium-high heat until the mixture begins to turn a nutty golden brown, about 2 minutes. Don't let the mixture scorch. Whisk in 4½ cups of whole milk and bring the mixture just to a boil, stirring with the wooden spoon and making sure to scrape each part of the surface of the pan so that the hunks of flour or milk do not stick. Reduce to a simmer and continue to cook and stir until the mixture is slightly thicker than heavy cream. Whisk in 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Stir in the ham. half the Parmigiano-Reggiano, You'll sprinkle the rest on top of the macaroni and add in the rest of the cheeses. Stir until the cheese has melted completely. Cheesy goodness. It's time for the cooked macaroni to jump into the hot tub and mix well. Remove from the heat. Transfer the mixture to a glass or ceramic dish. And I'm making a mess. Top with the remaining Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese that you almost forgot about in all the excitement. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, until the top is golden brown and the mixture is bubbling slightly, like this. I repeat. Serve hot or refrigerate, and gently reheat the whole thing, or in portions as needed. This is great out of the fridge the next day. We're cooking all Bourdain's recipes. We upload a new video every Thursday. Subscribe, like, tell a friend. Eat well. See you soon.